guys, and welcome back to The Genius Life. Today I'm talking about how to get more vegetables in your daily diet. If that's something you need, make sure you stay tuned. First thing on my list is actually to buy them. If your cart is not colorful, something's wrong. Apples, your strawberries, look for the yellows, your bananas, your whites like your mushrooms, your onions, your cauliflower, purples, blues, especially your greens. Get that first. A lot of documentaries out there actually tell us that everything on the outskirts of the supermarkets are the real food. Everything in between, all junk. Next thing on my list is keep them visible. So once you buy those foods and put them in your refrigerator, keep them visible. Things get lost in that vegetable and fruit tray. Maybe try packaging your vegetables and fruits in a way that you can see it through that clear glass, and that helps me to remember, okay, yeah, I did buy mushrooms. I know exactly what I have and how to throw it together when I'm making my main course. Next thing on my list is to switch it up. If you're used to eating a specific type of vegetable all the time, try to find different vegetables that you've never had before. Try to get vegetables that are outside of the usual color spectrum that you normally get. So if you normally get green beans and carrots, maybe try broccoli rabe. Next is to incorporate your vegetables in soups and casseroles. The easiest thing for kids to eat nowadays. It tastes a way that makes them more comfortable to eat it. In the supermarket, you can find so many type of zoodles or noodles. I think that's what they call it. Basically, it's like spiralized vegetables. You can find them in zucchini. You can find carrot noodles. So many different type of vegetables that you can find, and it's fun to eat because it's not your average way to eat zucchini. Next thing on my list is to grow your own. If you have a cool house or if you have a place like a basement that you have space to do something like that, that would be perfect. You want the temperature to be under 70 degrees, and you definitely want to have a fluorescent light bulb. It's very inexpensive to grow your own lettuce or greens. There are even things now in the supermarkets where they like facilitate you to grow it. So even if you don't have a basement or something like that, but you have a windowsill, you can literally put your lettuce or whatever green you're growing on that windowsill in the little cup that they give you in the supermarket and grow your greens that way. Last but not least is juice. A lot of us in the Western society have actually very weak digestive systems. If you can give yourself a digestive break, it can help to build that immune system back and build that digestive fire. If you can juice every so often, although yes, you're getting rid of the fibers, you're also keeping the nutrients from the fruits, from the vegetables. You're getting them in a very concentrated form. Very interesting process. It's something that I have fallen in love with, and you can still make smoothies with actual fiber in it, but juicing is a great way to give your digestive system a break. Try it if you haven't already. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video on how to get more vegetables into your diet. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.